So it's January in Wisconsin, and normally the weather is around maybe 0 degrees, 10 degrees outside, but in 2021 it's been mostly 20s and 30s, and we're getting started here. I'm building these Hugelkultur piles, so it's the winter. A lot of the brush and everything's a little bit easier to clear. And you can kind of see we've got a couple of piles. I'm gonna walk around and show you here that we've built already. So we're laying the larger, maybe 4 and 5 inch diameter logs on the bottom here. I don't know if you can see that. And then just kind of building it up with progressively bigger brush. We're building these piles probably about close to 4 feet tall. And then we'll be packing this with other organic material, manure, and you'll see these piles will really break down pretty quickly. So here's another one that we're just working on building now. You can kind of see the composition from largest on the bottom, smallest on the top. And another pile that we've just gotten started here. We're just going to continue to kind of clear brush and get these piles going. So just wanted to do a quick walk around, and I'll post another video once we start building these up more and adding the manure. Thanks for watching.